Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. And today I'm taking part in a YouTube and Instagram hop called Stretch the Sketch. And the idea is you're given a one-page sketch and you're going to stretch it or shrink it. So I'm turning this sketch into a double-page sketch. So this is a 12 by 12 sketch. Some people shrink it down to a 8.5 by 11 or a 6 by 6, but I'm stretching the sketch and making it a double page, and I'm also turning it sideways. So I'm turning it this way, and I have made a start, as in I have just inked around the edges of my cardstock base and my paper, and I've put my paper on already onto the backing. So I'm probably not going to be able to fit both pages on at once, so I'll probably do them individually, and then hopefully at the end, I'm not sure if they're both going to fit on in screen because I normally only do single pages, but I am trying to do more doubles, hence why I've joined this YouTube hop. Yeah, so anyway, the photos I'm doing are really unique, and it's a dog cemetery in Western Australia. And it's at a place called Corrigan in Western Australia, and I went there. This would have been late 1980s, early 1990s. I was on a holiday with my parents over to WA, and this we saw on our travels. So I thought, well, that's something really unique. You're not going to see that very often. So we called in and had a look, and apparently it was established in 1974. And I think there's around 200 or something dogs in this cemetery. So I don't know whether they're all just local or people go there purposely from, other states or whatever, but I don't know. But it's something really unique. And yeah. Now the embellishments I'm using are from I've forgotten the name of it. Oh my gosh, I didn't think I'd forget the name of it. I've used it so often. It's a uniquely creative line called Willow and Grace. And if you're a regular to my channel, you would have seen me use this quite a few times already. And it's just a collection that's full of dogs and cats. So I thought, well, how apt is that? Going to use them. I've already got my embellishment cluster sorted because it took a while to work out how I was going to use it on this layout. So let's get this page started. Okay, there is my layout. Now hopefully you can see the two together. Let me just have a peeky look. Yes, you can see the two. Okay, that was really fun. I didn't know where I would use all those dogs because I just wanted to use like my dog that was in the pack, like this one. Little cutie. So I wasn't sure when I was going to use all the others. So really glad I found these photos the other night and thought, yes, perfect. Okay, that tag is crooked. That's going to worry me. I can't do anything about it now. Okay. And to see my little mishap, I dropped a tag with glue on it, and of course the glue had to fall down onto the photo. So I don't know if you have any tips for getting glue off a photo, let me know. Just drop it in the comments below. So that is my take on the sketch. I've stretched it to a double page and I've turned it sideways, and then on this page I've turned it the opposite way. My photos obviously are not tucked in. That's a little bit different, but still that sketch was the inspiration. If you want to see what everyone else has done, then please check out the playlist in the description box below. If you've liked this layout, give it the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. If you have any questions about products I've used, anything at all, then drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.